In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to delete your current city from your Facebook page. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages. Next, switch to your desired page by tapping on the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the page you want to switch to. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. Then, locate and tap on the edit icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the option to edit your About info at the bottom of the page. Look for the section labeled Places Lived and tap on the pencil icon next to your current city. To delete your current city, simply tap on the X icon next to it. Confirm the deletion by tapping on Save at the bottom of the screen. That's it! You have successfully removed your current city from your Facebook page. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your social media profiles.